Welcome to my channel. I have here a newly found item, and this is Victor. Model is E-6400G, serial number 351308, made in Tokyo, Japan. This is the inner part. The tube number here is 50EH5. This kind of amp is a single-ended. This is only mono. It has only a one speaker. I already turned on the power so that the tube will be heated properly. So I have here a shellac record, and the title is El Capitan. So that's all for this Victor portable turntable. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Stay updated always for more videos to come. And as always, thanks for watching.